Hello kids, in this video, we will learn to read words with a short vowel A. Come and read with me. The at word family. At. Say at. Bat. Say bat. Cat. Say cat. Fat. Say fat. Hat. Say hat. Mat. Say mat. Pat. Say pat. Rat. Say rat. Sat. Say sat. Vat. Say vat. The an word family. An. Say an. Can. Say can. Dan. Say dan. Fan. Say fan. Man. Say man. Pan. Say pan. Ran. Say ran. Van. Say van. The add word family. Add. Bad. Say bad. Dad. Say dad. Lad. Say lad. Mad. Say mad. Pad. Say pad. Sad. Say sad. The ag word family. Ag. Say ag. Bag. Say bag. Hag. Say hag. Nag. Say nag. Rag. Say rag. ag, tag. Say tag. The am word family. Am. Say am. Dam. Say dam. Ham. Say ham. Jam. Say jam. Pam. Say Pam. Ram. Say ram. Let's read. Pam has a ham. Pam has a ham. Dan has a van. Dan has a van. Dad has a pad. Dad has a pad. Dan has a pan. Dan has a pan. The hag has a bag. The hag has a bag. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. The cat has a bat. The cat has a bat. The rat has a hat. The rat has a hat.